Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Home attending is done. Ma'am, you are on no audio, ma'am. We can't listen you and you can't listen us. Ma'am, your voice is not coming because you are on no audio. Ma'am, your voice is coming.
Sorry, so you didn't listen anything whatever I have taught you?
No, ma'am, आपने क्या बताया?
Ma'am, your mic was off.
Okay, fine. I was unaware about that system. Thank you so much. See, I told you that how to improve memory power. Okay, so when you beat on your talu on this part for 1 minute, you can improve your memory power. You can develop the concentration level. Okay, so some students, they do hard work, they study hard, they learn the things for many hours, till they forget the things. So if you do this simple exercise for any time, okay, for 1 minute, or you can exceed up 2 minutes, okay, so it improve your memory power. Got it, everyone? So this technique actually I have on me, okay, I have tried on me, then I'm just suggesting you to continue with that. Because nowadays we all are learning through online or mobiles and gadgets, and it's really irritating things, or is things like that we don't want, right? But to maintain that things, we have to do this exercise daily. Otherwise, you cannot remember, right? So here I'm going to, okay, few students have joined later. Lastly, I will take their attendance later on. Fine. I'm going to share something in your screen. Wait. So, in last class, we are discussing the poem, It Couldn't Be Done. Okay? Reading already done, right? We had already done reading part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading part we have done. Before going to start the session after your vacation, I want to say something to you that few students, they have not written neatly or properly in their FNB, okay, and most of the students, they haven't made any cover page. I was expecting more, but when I received your FNB or your work, it was the level of 1 or 0. So see, according to this, we are giving you some marks, okay. As I told you, your presentation, how you are writing in your FNB, what the things you are writing in your FNB, whether you are completing your work on time, according to that, we are going to give you marks. That's why we are calling you to submit your FNB, okay. So next, I think today onward, teacher will call you to inform you how you have done in your writing part, how do you maintain your FNBs, okay. They have already given you marks, but they will tell you. So it's my suggestion to everyone, for PA1 part, at least do properly. Title of the chapter should be written neatly, then word meaning, okay, then question answer. But before that, don't forget to make a cover page for it, okay. 7th class students, they have done very nicely in their FNB, systematically they have written, and I expect that you student can also, right? So we are discussing, okay, moving to next, I will not fill your time much. Moving to next, that it couldn't be done, that poem we are discussing before holidays. And the first stanza I have already taught you. Okay, few things let us revise. Okay. We have discussed about rhyming skill. We have discussed about what is called 8-line stanza. We also discussed few things about the writer. Okay. I have already taken your reading test, given you marks, I think, or haven't. Or few students, they haven't sent me their reading part yet, so I'm waiting for them. Okay. One of you read the first stanza of this poem.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I, Lakshya?
Okay, Lakshya, read. Lakshya, turn on your camera and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
it couldn't be done. Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be one.
Where is your
Who
camera?
wouldn't say,
Where is your camera?
who wouldn't say so till he tried? So he buckled right in with the trace of a grin on his face. If he worried, he hid it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lakshya. So in the first stanza, you can see it is of 8-line stanza. Okay, an 8-line stanza known as dash. Tell me.
Octave.
Octave. Very nice. So good. So 8-line stanza known as octave. Okay, all of you write down this.
Ma'am, all 3 stanzas are of 8 lines.
Yes. Okay. 8-line stanza known as octave. Fine. What are the rhyming scale in this stanza?
Ma'am, rhyming scale of the stanza is ABA.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, rhyming scale of the stanza is. Write down, others write down in chat. Augusta, you are going to say, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yes.
A B A
Yes.
B C B C D.
A B C D C D. Okay, very nice. This is the rhyming scale that we have learned earlier. Okay. So few students, they hadn't written this rhyming scale in their FNB. You should write all those rhyming scale in your FNB so that you can learn it. So 8-line stanza known as octave, and the rhyming scale that is given in this stanza, that is AB, C D. Got it, everyone? Okay. So the first stanza say that somebody said. Somebody said mean here the poet, the narrator. He didn't introduce who is that somebody. Somebody can be his co-worker. Somebody can be anyone of his society or surrounding. Okay. So somebody says that it couldn't be done. So somebody said to him that it couldn't be done, that he wanted to do. Okay. For example, if I talk about recent things, okay, nowadays a competition is going on global wise. Okay. So as you know that 3rd of June known as Global Bicycle Day. Okay. 3rd June is known as Global Bicycle Day. So people decided to cover few kilometers by their cycle. Okay, they would ride few kilometers by their cycle. And if you go to an app that is known as Samsung Health, okay, if you go to this application, it is available in Google Play Store. That is Samsung Health. Okay. In the app also, global wise, people, they are taking part in a competition that is known as, they have given certain name to those competitions. Last month, that means the month of May, it was lavender competition. Okay, lavender, that means it's near purple color flower. Okay, that is known as lavender competition, and you have to cover 20 lakhs. Sorry, not 20 lakhs. I think 2 lakhs stay in this month. Okay, so who will go more than that, they will be the winner of that competition. So in the month of June, they have declared that it is broccoli. Let me show you my one. I have also joined in that. Where is that? Yeah, if you open Samsung Health, so today I have worked 6,772 states. Okay, if you go to together, you can see at the down home together fitness is there. If you go to there, you can see this is the competition's name. Okay, you can see in the month of June they have the competition that is known as broccoli. Broccoli, it is one type of vegetable, right? So you have to cover at least 2 lakh steps in this month. But don't think that you will cover 2 lakh steps and you will be the winner. No. People are there, they walk 5 lakh steps in a month, 7 lakh steps in a month. Okay. So according to that level, you will get some rank in that. Okay. So it is a competition that happens worldwide or global wide. Okay. Fine. Let's begin how much I can score. I will share my progress at the end of this month. So if somebody said that no, you cannot do, this is not possible for you, it is really hard job for you, tough job for you, right? Take those things as a challenge and show them that yes, I can do. Until you are not successful in that, don't accept failure. Okay. So somebody said to the narrator that the narrator could not do certain things, but he with a chuckle replied, but the narrator, he smiled. Chuckle means a gentle smile, okay, soft smile, and replied that it couldn't, but he would be won. So he said that yes, that couldn't be happened. Okay, but I will be the one that I will make it successful or happen. So he said with a smile word. Who wouldn't say so till he tried? And the narrator, he didn't want to be a loser, okay, by listening other. People will say, you cannot do, this is not a possible thing, this is impossible things, and so, negative things, okay. So he said that I don't know whether I can do or not, but until I try, I don't want to say that I cannot do. So he wanted to make that thing happen in his life. So he buckled right in with the trace of a green. What is the meaning of buckle? Buckle means, in simple language, in Hindi, you say kamar kas lena. Got it, everyone? That means you are get ready to do something. Kamar kas lena. So he buckled right in with the trace of green. Okay. What is the meaning of trace? Trace means, the word trace means nisana lagana or to point, to aim something. Okay. So he said that he is ready for his aim. Okay. That he wanted to get it success. With a smile he said that now I'm ready. Whatever the hurdles will come, whatever the somebody has turned on his or her speaker. Please mute it. Beyond. Fine. So whatever the hurdles or whatever the things will come, definitely I will be trying to get it successful, he said. Who said? The narrator. Okay, with a smile, he said to someone. The someone's name not mentioned here. On his face, if he worried, he hide it. So what happens sometimes, when you do the things that you never have heard that it has been done, never thought to complete that task, okay, you get worried. But the man who was trying to do something, okay, was little bit worried. Okay, but still he never show his worriedness in front of others. He hide them. Okay, hide that and try working on his aim. So he started to sing as he tackled the thing. So that's why he started to sing that, oh, anyhow I have to try, whether it is late or soon. Anyhow, I have to try. So he started working on and on his aim. So he started singing song and just simply does his work. That could not be done, and he did it. Okay, and that the things could not be done in the past life, but our narrator, he has done that work. Okay, any doubt in this stanza, first stanza? Do you have any doubt?
Ma'am,
Okay, now I'm going to introduce. Okay, I'm going to introduce a figure of speech.
no,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay, Isha, got it. Okay. Figure of speech means the literary term. In Hindi, you call it alankar. Okay. So, the literary term which has been mentioned in this poem. Okay. Yes, Agastya, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Agastya, waiting for your
Ma'am.
doubt.
Ma'am? Ma'am, hear me? You can hear me?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want out that which type of this poem is?
Means?
Suspense poem or any other?
This is motivational poem. When you read
Okay, ma'am.
poem, it motivates you.
Okay, ma'am.
What did you say, Agastya? I didn't get you.
Nothing, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you got it. So this is a motivational poem. Okay, it will motivate us to do such things. Okay, that people say to us that we cannot, that we are going to do the impossible things to a possible one. Okay, after learning this poem. So the author intention to teach us to work on our dreams or aims. As you all are students, sometimes what happens, you want to dance, okay, but you never danced before that, and you started dancing. So what happened? Others will say, no, you can't dance, Papu can't dance, right? Fine. But if you listen to that negative comments, negative statements, you cannot really dance, never can be, right? But if you practice dancing, you can. Okay? So practice makes man perfect.
Perfect.
Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Earlier also you didn't know how to write A, B, C, D at early age. You practice of writing A, B, C, D, and now you can write full sentence with good handwriting. You didn't know how to walk, but you learn how to walk. You didn't know how to ride a bicycle, but now you can. You didn't know how to use a mobile, but after using that, you know that. Even today you taught me something happened in the speaker or something like that. So if people will pass you negative comment, okay, and say then you cannot do. So if two types of people are there, they say negative comment about you. First thing, they don't want you to be success in your life, okay, success in your life. Second, they don't trust on you. Got it? People who don't trust on you, they will say you cannot do. And other people who jealous of you or want, okay, that you should not be success in your life, they will pass a negative comment. Okay? So you just, people who don't trust you, leave them. People who pass you negative comments or negative statements, leave them and listen to your heart and say you can do. Okay, last time I had given you example of an IS officer, how did he success in his life. So there are many stories like this, successful stories. See, one of my favorite character, you can say Arunima Sinha, succeed in her life, right? So you can. Now moving to next. Okay, I was about to teach you a figure of speech that is known as alliteration. That is known as August, that's correct. Do you know what is the meaning of alliteration?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know? What is that?
Ma'am, can I share?
Yes.
Means alliteration means same word time and time means for ma'am, can I see the example? Tell the example. I don't know perfect definition.
Okay.
Means for example, she sell to she shore means shore sell sells means double time one word is coming with s means all word with s. For example,
What is your explanation? See,
okay, ma'am.
see, I'm giving you the definition. That is right, Agastya. That is absolutely right. Okay, I'm giving you definition. Alliteration is the repeated sound, repeated consonant sound. Okay, what sound? Sorry, I have. Alliteration is repeated consonant sound in the same line, word by word. Got it? Alliteration is that it repeated consonant sound, same sound you can say, okay, in the same line, word by word, that is known as alliteration. For example, in this book, you can find out the first line, somebody said. Got it? Somebody start with S, and the next word said, it is also start with said. No, August, it's not tongue twister. Okay, not in always. Fine. Somebody said is alliteration. S sound is repeated. Find out alliteration in this form. Quickly, I am giving you 2 minutes time. Okay, 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time to find out all the alliteration from this form. Quickly. First, I have found for you. Second, also I can find for you the last third line. He hide. I'm just sharing with you. He hide. Quickly write down in chat box. Let me see.
Can I speak?
All of you write down in chat box. Let's check. Quickly go by line by line. WW, where did you find WW? Agastya, write down the word. With, without. Which line? Yeah, Just Patel, that's correct. Yeah, Isha Susaria, correct beta. It should be word by word, okay? Yes. Started to sing. That is also alliteration. Now move to second stanza. That is Somebody coughed.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in first stanza, last second line, tackle the thing.
Tackle the yes. Yeah, yeah. Very right. Correct. Tackle the
Ma'am,
thing.
we have to write this
Correct.
in the class work.
Yes, yes. You have to write in your F&B, okay? Yeah, Monil, you wanted to say something? Monil Saha? Monil, do you want to say something? Just turn on your camera or speak on speaker, okay? Okay, he has written, I was asking that, ma'am, can I tell alliteration tongue twister? Yes, yes, Monil, tell. We are waiting. A good a good cook could cook as many cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Black bug bite, a bite black bear. Learn so much. Actor, he has done this very nicely. Okay, I have watched his video. That's nice. We'll try to do. Okay, this tongue twister. Okay, thank you so much, Moni, for sharing with us. Okay, moving to next stanza. Fine. No doubt in first stanza, everyone. Okay, so write down words, difficult words. That is TRACE. Trace means your aim. Okay, or you can say your desire. Fine. Next word is tackled. It has been there in English language, beta. Not Simone has made. It has been done. Yeah, it has been composed in this. Okay, now moving to next word, that is TACKLED. Tackled. Tackled means, write down the word meaning that I am writing in chat box. Make a determined effort determined efforts to deal with problems. Okay, tackle means, yeah, to push, you can say to push also, and tackle means to make a determined effort. You can try to deal with the problem. Okay, or that can be also fine. So the narrator, he had a determination to achieve whatever he wanted to. Okay, in the first stanza we have learned that he didn't listen to that somebody and started working on his aim. Okay, now moving to next stanza. Okay, next stanza. Now who will read? Sahil Kumar. Sahil Kumar Pawar, read second stanza. Sahil Kumar has joined first time. That's why I'm asking. Sahil. Okay. No problem. Sahil is not going to read. Then Dharmi Mirza. Dharmi Mirza. Rehan Kanjiani. Why are you not reading? Only one stanza I am asking to read. Krishiv, you read beta. Krishiv.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, can you please wait for 1 minute?
Yes, of course.
Ma'am, which second or third?
Second.
Ma'am, in 8C you have done all the you have done whole poem in 8C.
No, I haven't explained this poem. Okay, you read it, no problem.
There are thousands to tell you. It cannot be done.
No, second
There are thousands.
stanza. Second stanza,
Okay.
Krishiv. Turn on your camera first.
Somebody
Yeah, thank you.
Somebody quote, oh, you will never do that. At least no one ever has done it. But he took off his coat and he took off his hat, and the first thing we knew, he had begun it. With a lift of his chin and a bit of a grin, without any doubting or quiddit, he started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it.
That's great. One more thing I wanted to announce. Isha Sultaria and
Yes, ma'am.
wait, and Janil Bharonia. Okay? Isha and Janil both are going to check your handwriting, your work. Fine. Every day you are going to write 1 page of English in your handwriting book. Okay. We have 8A group. We have made separately 8A group. Those students are new in this class. Okay. That means section 3 students, those have joined in this section A. So section A student will join you over there, and everybody has to submit their handwriting page, date, page of writing, okay, by evening. Isha and Janil got it?
Ma'am, everyone?
Everyone has to write 1 page with very good handwriting, and they will
Okay,
share
ma'am.
in our age group, and Isha and Janil will check yours, okay? And if you are not going to send and you have not sent that page, they will put you absent. Got it? Isha and Janil, I will tell you the
Ma'am, ma'am, where
Yes,
name
Isha?
to send?
Ma'am, I am not in the group.
Okay, so you can give your number to Manil or Agastya, they will add you.
Ma'am,
Or
I
I
am
will add
also
you.
not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, those students are not added in that group. Write your name. So the admin will add you today. Not
Ma'am,
any particular topic. You can write whatever you wish to. Okay, just say that he has Krishiv and Isha's number. That's great. So who all are new in this class then? They will pass their number to the admin. Okay, you send me. I will share your number over there. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I have make you the admin only. You also can add.
That I said to you all that I can also add you. Yeah, lecture is over. Got it. Now
Ma'am,
let
we
me
have
take
to send the writing in 8th assembly discussion group.
Yes, you have to say that. And listen, yeah, you remind me something. Our assembly has started, and I'm going to give you duties. Okay, over there. I will make you admin. Just don't worry. Okay. So we have special days like today is Global Parental Day and 3rd of what do you call? Yeah, 3rd of June is Global Bicycle Day. Like that we have special day. So I will be giving you duty accordingly. Who is good at Hindi? Hindi poem or something like that? Who is good at Hindi poem or reading Hindi? Riddhi Maheshwari. Okay. Okay, fine, got it. Who is good at reciting English poem?
Ma'am,
I, Agastya.
Okay, got it. Just Ashika Moria and Shlok. Got it. I'll remember this name. Kriship, they will add you, don't worry, okay? Yeah. So, most probably we'll conduct a very good assembly. We'll practice first. I'll give you date, okay? According to that, you have to present in assembly and present yourself. So here I'm going to take your attendance, all of you. Bansri is absent today, right? He is absent and rest of the students are present. Mayan Patel, you can conduct assembly, but before that I want to listen from you. How you are reading, how you are anchoring. Conducting assembly means you have to start with anchoring, right? Yeah.
ma'am, I will also conduct assembly. I am good at that.
There, not there. Okay, fine. I'll give you chance. Don't worry. Fine. Okay, all of you complete your homework. Complete Keen Passage 1 in your worksheet. Okay. Today is the beginning of the class after vacation, so I'm not going to teach you more. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
And today evening you are going to send a page of good handwriting.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Krishiv.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please
Yes.
add me in 8K group?
One thing, send your number in WhatsApp.
Receive, I added you. Check in WhatsApp.
Okay.
Not there.
Don't
Another 8K group.
Okay.
Students and
Please send the number in all of you take ready for the next class. They go to washroom, fresh up, join the next class. Okay. Bye. Take care. Yeah, Munil, got it. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy reading.